Sometimes collaboration starts with brainstorming. The marketing team is preparing for their 2026 strategy workshop. The meetings module helps organize the session, but Jean needs a flexible space for ideas and real-time collaboration. That's why she's trying something new to kick things off: real-time documents. First, she activates the Documents module in the project. She opens Project Settings, then Modules, and activates Documents. She picks the document type and adds the notes she took during the last discussion, easily starting to structure them. Now it is time to share the document with the team so they can contribute too. No need to wait. Jean notices existing work packages related to these topics and adds links to the relevant ones directly in the document. All team members are in the document, editing together in real time. Ideas, text, images, work packages, and more, all in one place. Structured, connected, and ready for collaboration. This is how ideas become action, together, in real time.